Myself a new laptop over here. This cheap piece of shit. Actually, I shouldn't call it a piece of shit. It's pretty good. A Dell Inspiron 13. It was like $470 at the Microsoft store. I just needed a laptop for my vacation. I am going on a nice long vacation, and my T440 I just got frustrated with, and I gave it away to an employee at work that didn't have a laptop. My T520, it actually used to have a quad-core CPU. It doesn't have a quad-core CPU anymore because I let somebody take it. And the thing only had like what 59 minutes of battery life with the quad-core i7 Sandy Bridge in it. Anyway, Lenovo is not exactly known for their battery life in their older models, so it wasn't. So I got this thing, and it's actually pretty good for $479. And it just finished Windows Update. I was watching a movie, trying to fall asleep. It's about 2 in the morning, and I see this little flickering red light out of the corner of my eye. And it just kind of prompted me to do a video, and it may be a stupid video, but this is some of the creepiest shit that I've ever had happen to me with a laptop. So, it has a blinking red light by the webcam, and it says "looking for you" right after a finished Windows Update. And that's kind of fucking creepy. I just don't know how to put it. I'm just sitting here watching a movie, and my computer just starts blinking, saying that it's looking for me. I mean, that's really, really weird, and it really makes me want to just, not just tape the webcam, but stab it, and stab the microphone. I mean, it's my fault. I set up this shit where, it's supposed to be able to log you in by looking at your face, but, geez, like, I thought it would do that when I just hit a button. I didn't think that it would just, like, constantly be looking for me. How many of these machines have probably caught people, like doing drugs or having sex or committing a crime because it was like looking for them when they weren't asking for it? So that's kind of weird, genuinely odd. I'm watching a movie right now. Let's see, I forgot the exact name of it. It's the Ex Machina movie about the robots and the artificial intelligence. And so it's kind of weird that I'm watching this movie while my computer right next to me starts blinking red and says "looking for you." Kind of creepy.